The SWIFT SW380T Trinocular Microscope offers a wide magnification range from low-power scanning to detailed high-power work, making it suitable for both classroom and serious hobby use. Its Siedentopf style head with angled viewing and adjustable interpupillary distance is comfortable for long sessions and easy to share between different users without constant refocusing. The combination of high-quality glass eyepieces and achromatic objective lenses delivers clear, evenly illuminated images that are sharp across the field of view. A sturdy mechanical stage with precise controls lets you move slides smoothly and accurately, which is especially helpful for tracking tiny structures at higher magnifications. The dual coarse and fine focusing system feels precise and stable, allowing you to dial in very small focus changes without the image drifting. The trinocular port makes it straightforward to attach a compatible camera so you can capture photos, record video, or live stream what you are seeing through the microscope.